Hi Bestie, welcome to my page. I am Miss Frugal, also known as Karen. In this video, I'll be opening up some Happy Mail that I received from two small businesses. If this is something that interests you, hopefully you will stay until the end. Hi Bestie, welcome to my page. I'm so glad you decided to join me as I share some Happy Mail that I ordered from Shop Villabeautifful and Cloth and Paper. So a few weeks ago, Shop Villabeautifful had a sale, and I did need some functional stickers, and I wanted pink and blue ink pens. So, and I took advantage of the sale, and I said, well, let me go ahead and treat myself, because I haven't bought any pens in a while. So I said this will be a great time to do that. So let's dive in so you can see what I actually ordered. So, when you place the order with Shop Villabeautifful, she does provide you with a refill when you purchase pens from her, and it's a black ink refill. So, typically when I do place an order with her, I try to buy a few more of the blue ink refills. These pens are so beautiful, and I'll be doing a testing of the pens after I look at the stickers that I got in my order. So I ordered the calendar numbers for the undated travel notebook set that I have. I love Shop Villabeautifful stickers. They're not too big. They're actually perfect. And it's perfect for the size planner that I currently utilize. And hopefully in the future, she will make another sticker book with a lot more of her functional stickers in them. So anytime that I purchase blue pens from the shop, I try to change out the ink from black to blue. So that's one reason why I do order the blue refill, the pen refills. So we're going to test out the pen. I'm going to test out the blue ink and the black ink. So I wanted to add some more pink pens to my collection. And these two right here caught my eye. And I like the fact that there are two different shades of pink, which is very perfect. And it looks absolutely stunning in my pen case. I absolutely love, 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 love. So now let's open up cloth and paper Happy Mail. So I like the dust bag that the Cactus Vegan Leather Folio came in. I will open this up last. But I do like the dust bag that it came in. So I got a few new things for my CP Petite planner. Now on Thursday, typically when Cloth and Paper has its happy hour, this past Thursday something didn't happen, but I did see something new that I hadn't seen. Now I'm not sure if it's actually a new product, but it was the affirmation dashboard. So I wanted to get that to add to my planner. And then I got a few inserts as well. So if you've been watching my video, you would know that I absolutely love C&P Traveler Notebook Set. I utilize that for my investments in tracking trading and any inside information about stocks and everything. I keep that within my traveler notebook. So I definitely needed the executive notebook because I take notes daily. But when I was on the website, I saw there was a new traveler notebook, and it was the daily agenda one that's right here. So I definitely wanted to add this one as well. So I got the Valley Cactus Vegan Leather Folio in size large for my half letter. I'm planning on making a half letter discbound cash envelope system for sinking funds. And I absolutely love this cover. This cover is absolutely beautiful. It's great quality. I love the texture of it as well. So let's add my cash envelope system to this cover. So I did take the cover from off the Simplicity notebook that I have from Cloth and Paper to add to this. And I absolutely love this so much. And I'm so glad that I got this large folio. I love the color of it. I love the texture, and absolutely the quality is superb. So I am looking forward to utilizing this for my sinking funds for cash stuffing. Thank you so much for watching my Happy Mail. Please like, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell. And please consider sharing it with your friends. Toodles!